Cold and quiet, the big banner headline across West Michigan over the next several days. That means the snow that we have, we're going to get to keep for a little while. Downtown Grand Rapids, you can see traffic moving along pretty smoothly. US 131 north and southbound just north of the S-curve, and the snow on the grassy surfaces. Still a couple of inches remaining. Temperatures this morning are down in the teens and 20s. And as we expand the view for you regionally, I want to draw your attention to this huge chunk of really cold air across the northern part of the U.S. This is actually the direction now our winds are going to be coming from, and so we get to tap some of that cold air. Temperatures aren't even going to be back up to normal levels here in the Great Lakes region until at least the middle of January. And from here to there, we'll get some episodes of lake effect and lake enhanced snow coming through. Today, cold, quiet, not as breezy. We'll see some sunshine, and temperatures that will be pretty close to where they were yesterday will feel much balmier just because the winds won't be quite as active. Major storm system on the map. That is the big banner headline across the entire country in terms of the weather conditions going on. That is going to be creating some significant travel issues, and we will be looking at here in West Michigan, maybe seeing a few flurries along the Michigan-Indiana state line late tonight into early tomorrow. That's the extent of the system and its impact here. Our pattern does remain cold, and we've got a clipper system coming through late Tuesday night into Wednesday, which will bring us a little bit of snow, a couple of inches late Tuesday night into Wednesday. Here, though, is a look at the regional satellite radar composite, and you can certainly see the impact, the swath of moisture from this storm system from Nebraska and Kansas to Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky. We've got all of the different colors showing up on the radar, so everything from heavy snow to freezing rain and then some locally heavy rainfall. And as we expand the view and show you all the warnings that are in effect. The winter storm warnings are this pink shaded color. There actually is a blizzard warning that's located underneath this huge batch of snow in Missouri, and this entire area of active weather is going to move almost due eastward, and that's why it looks as though we're going to be missing out on almost all of the impact here in the Great Lakes region. But where you see the purple color, that is a good indication of at least 6 to maybe as much as 12 inches of snow, and on the north side of that area of snow, we're also going to see some significant freezing rain. So again, the potential here is going to be for some significant icing to go along with the heavy snow, not just travel issues developing, but power outages that may take several days to get restored. So if you have a trip planned, traveling to the south, you want to postpone leaving for at least the next couple of days. As the system clears out, late Tuesday night into Wednesday, here comes that next clipper system. It drops southward, and we will wake up with some fresh snow as we head through the day on Wednesday. The rest of that Super 7-day planner shows that colder than average air will be hanging on. And as we show you the extended view, the 8 to 14-day outlook, which takes us into the third week of January, the warm air starts to build across the central and northern plain states, but from the southern Great Lakes to the mid-Atlantic states and down to the Gulf Coast, temperatures below to much below average. So winter, we're going to finally get one this January.